Hi everyone, so today we're talking about how to remain productive all day long. I have seen this noticeable change in my energy in the past 8 months, and I'm not any kind of expert, but I like to share things as and when I learn. I'm not here to give you any sort of pill to run endlessly on productivity treadmill. So, productivity is deep awareness of your energy and decide how to use it because it's a progressive approach, it's a process and not an end. Improve your performance every day by just 1%. This way, the compound interest will keep adding up. Our money grows as we keep adding interest. Similarly, the habits also multiply over time. I would definitely recommend you to read this book called Atomic Habits. It's such a great book. You can also change the vibes of your room. I know work from home can be monotonous and little bit difficult. So change the view of your room, remove the clutter. There should be minimum distractions. Do the most difficult task first. The gist of this rule is to focus on your most important task first and then do the pending task. The results are always the outcome of your habits. Better results is equal to better habits. The moment you enter your room, you switch on the light first. So it's a habit. Brushing your teeth every day is a habit. So these are habits developed over time. Kill the bad habits, make them invisible. Create a picture of your future self. Write it somewhere on the whiteboard or sticky notes and watch it every day. A strong, powerful identity will always motivate you to work harder. Create visual reminders and read it every day. If you have too much on your plate, you will have to create a drop list. I welcome a lot of ideas and suggestions, but sometimes those ideas work for them and it's not on my priority list because too many ideas, opinions, thoughts, suggestions, it can get accumulated on your plate, leaving you stressed out and completely out of focus. So the best thing that you can do for yourself is to drop the things that don't need your attention. We lose the zest for excitement when we keep jumping from one unfinished task to another. It would disturb the whole momentum, so complete that task. Completing a task would always give you a sense of accomplishment. Always stay laser focused and it would require you to do some deep work. Now, to have that kind of attention, we gotta focus on one thing at a time. We need to have this relaxed approach about this. Be very, very clear about what you want, your vision, and then create a proper strategy. Surround yourself with people who are on the same page as you are, who also hold the same passion and values as you do. We gotta choose our friends wisely because we do get affected by their actions, by their personality, and it's not at all selfish to choose healthy friendships because that's how we evolve and grow with them. Prepare yourself for some tough game because it will make you mentally very, very strong. Just because you're doing more does not mean that you're getting a lot more done. Take small breaks in between, 20 minutes to be precise. Don't be too hard on yourself. We gotta learn to say no. Sometimes it's important to say no and say a no without giving detailed excuses. Focus more on your progression than your current results. I understand that perfection can get in the way of progression, so always set realistic goals. Stay laser focused rather than being hyper focused. By focusing on progress, you watch all your accomplishments. This awareness helps you to stay excited for future because you know you are doing better every time. You should spend less time on your phone, especially on social media, because overstimulation of your brain affects your sleep cycle as well. Create simple daily disciplines. When you make the right choices, you will never see the immediate results, at least not today. But what you do right now really matters. Mastery begins the moment you step onto the path. Always measure your progress because what you're doing, is it really having an impact or you're just doing it for the sake of doing it? You should always plan your day a night before. Always take an accountability for your work. Be honest with yourself. I always create penalties for myself when I don't work on time. You can also invest in some noise cancelling earphones. Do the thing and you will have the power. There is a natural progression to everything in life. There is no quick fix path. Sometimes you don't need more information. You just need something to make that information work for you. And it all comes down to simple choices in life. Now that's all in this video. You can also give me some suggestions in the comments which topic you want me to cover, and I'll see you in the next one now. Bye.